Hello guys, today in this video we're going to practice real quick how to send an email. Sending an email is going to be one of the best ways to communicate, and it's a skill that I'm sure you'll use in the future. So this is what my Gmail looks like. We're going to go to Compose on the top, and you can choose to send your email like this, or you can expand it. So I'm going to expand it just so that we can see it a little bit better. So right here, in the address bar where it says to, I want you guys to type Ms. Cortez. Now notice this, as you type in M-O-M-C-O, there is Myra Cortez and there is me, Marita Cortez. Make sure that you are sending it to the correct person. Myra gets a lot of my emails just because she has an S there. So please do not make that mistake and make sure that you are sending me an email. So if you were to send me an email, you're going to type in my name. In the address bar right here, the subject line, you're going to have to put whatever class you are in. So if you're in Math 3 Honors, you might want to type Math 3 Honors. You could type your name. If you don't need to type your name because I'll see your name. You could be like, question about the syllabus, like this. That way I have an idea about what your email is. Or for example, if you want to have tutoring, you could be like tutoring question. Just make sure that you put what class you're in, since I'm going to be having a lot of students email me, and a subject line right there. Here, make sure that you always greet the person you're sending the email to. You can't just say, I need tutoring. That is not professional. We would address me. You could address me as Ms. Cortez. You could address me as good afternoon. Anything like this works. Obviously, you would not put it on the same line. You would put it differently, but always, always address the person. All right. And then comma, space. I always like to leave a space just to make it look nice and organized and say, you know, I need blah, 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 whatever it is you need. Type your email. Make sure that you don't use, do not use caps, all caps. That is interpreted as yelling. So do not do something like that. Make sure you don't include emojis. I know we use emojis a lot, but we're staying professional. I'm gonna try to stay professional. So try not to use emojis maybe once in a while after we've built a relationship, but right now we haven't built a relationship, so therefore it is not appropriate. Let's see, what else? Make sure that you are using proper grammar when you write this email. I want full sentences, and make sure that you proofread it. We're in the professional world, we're gonna have to learn how to proofread emails, and this is a skill for the 21st century. And then finally, at the end, you say thank you, or you say sincerely, or anything, and then you follow it by your name. So always make sure you address the person, you have the content of what you need to say, make sure you don't use caps or emojis, make sure you keep it professional at all times, and then thank you and your name. All right.